Using Expedia Plus points is a great way to save money on travel bookings. Expedia Plus is a rewards program that allows members to earn and redeem points on various travel expenses. To use Expedia Plus points, start by signing in to your Expedia account. If you do not have an account, create one and enroll in the Expedia Plus program. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Expedia homepage and begin searching for your travel arrangements, such as flights, hotels, or car rentals. When you find a travel option you like, click on it to view the details. If the option is eligible for Expedia Plus redemption, you will see a checkbox that says Use My Expedia Plus points. Check the box to apply your points to the booking. The amount of points required will be displayed, as well as the amount of money you will save by using your points. You can choose to use as many or as few points as you like, as long as you have enough points to cover the redemption amount. After applying your points, review your booking details to ensure everything is correct. You can then proceed to pay for any remaining balance using a credit or debit card. It is essential to note that some travel options may have restrictions on using Expedia Plus points, so be sure to read the terms and conditions before making a booking. To get the most out of your Expedia Plus points, make sure to earn points on all your eligible travel bookings. You can also earn points by using the Expedia Plus credit card or by shopping through the Expedia Plus portal. By following these steps and using your Expedia Plus points wisely, you can save money and enjoy more travel experiences.